Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to set up Always On Display on your iPhone 17. At first, go to settings right here. Now scroll down to the display and brightness right here. Again, scroll down till you see Always Display. Tap it. Now, by default, it's enabled, I know. But if you want to set up it by your own preferences, have it enabled, and now as you can see here they have 3 options to customize. Free. Show wallpaper, blue wallpaper photo, and show notifications. Here, if you disable this show notifications button, you won't receive notifications on the on display. Only when you raise your iPhone or just turn it on, notifications will be shown, but on the Always On Display they won't be shown. Here, blue wallpaper photo. If you do have a photo set on your wallpaper, not the iPhone's wallpapers or something like that, it can be blurred when enabled. Here, when you enable that, your wallpaper will be disabled, and it looks just more realistic to have a phone like when it's going from blurred to non-blurred when turning on. And at final, here they have, as you can see, show wallpaper. If you disable it, you will completely not have wallpaper in the Always On Display, as you can see. And if you enable that, our Always On Display looks like this. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.